234. There's a number 2 at the bottom of the page, another reading exercise. So I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 3 flats in the key signature. This is in the key of E flat major. So make sure you can do the scales and arpeggios for E flat major and C minor. 3/4 time. Let's get the notes first. Right hand, basically broken chord. So this we got the thumb covering 2 notes. That's fine. Second line. Crossover. Crossing over 3 or 2 or what, doesn't matter. You don't even have to cross over if you don't want to. But I like staying out here, so I'll do that because you can do, I can do a 2-1, here 2. Also, if you don't mind being up in here, different fingerings. Left hand, well, we'll start here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Then 5 again. See, between measure 4 and 5, you got the same note. It's a repeated note. We change hand positions. That's fine. 2, 3. You don't want to be up here. No real harm in it because most of these are black keys anyway. You can do it. But you can do a 2. You get different fingerings. Then we put the hands together and see what this is. And here. And here. And here. Left hand's got to be 5th finger now. So I put the hands together. And then I go back over and get rid of the hesitations. Try and get this where you can play it without looking at the keyboard. Then we think about the articulation, and it's connected. You lift up the end of the first line, both hands, that's fine. You gotta lift up in the left hand anyway. Right, it's like taking a breath. Otherwise, it's all connected. Dynamics, the first line's loud, the second line's soft. It's like you're echoing it, so it's loud. Left hand's in the background. Left hand very soft. Then the speed, andante. It's kind of a leisure stroll. Just kind of walking around. Not a leisure stroll, it's a felt thing. Remember the nasal accents. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, okay. They want you to transpose this to D major. So we're going to go from E flat down 1 note to D major, 1/2 step. D major has 2 sharps, an F sharp and a C sharp. Put in all that. Doesn't hurt doing the scales when you're doing these transpositions, just so you can remind yourself what notes are in that scale or in that key. Basically, it's the same fingers, or we're just going down 1 note in the music from where it is. So instead of a B, it's an A. Instead of an E, it's a D. Here. We just have to play the F sharps and C sharps when we get to them. Here, G, down here. 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 Next measure, it's a B and a G. And the next one is an A and a G. And then come down is E and an A and a D. So taking each note down 1 note. I mean, you can also think intervals. I'm here. Go down a 3rd, another 3rd. Go up a 6th, down a 3rd, down a 3rd, 2nd. Down a 3rd, up a 2nd, down a 3rd. So I can do it that way too. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts, and I'm not going to do the dynamics, just the notes and the rhythm. 1, ready, go.